Okay, let's look at all the cars, the big trucks. All right, first one, we have the cement truck. Beep, 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 truck. Boop, 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 boop. Let's put him back in the... There. Next one we have, oh, we have Strip Weathers. How you doing, Mater? I'm Strip Weathers. Strip Weathers. Dynaco. We'll put him right there. Then we have the yellow bus. It's called Track Team. Beep, beep. We'll put him right in here. The next one we have is the yellow Corvette. Hello, Mr. Yellow Corvette. It's a yellow car. A yellow car. Okay, we're gonna put this guy right next to the yellow bus and the blue car and the blue truck. The next one is a green construction truck, a big truck with a dog. It's a green dog, and that's a black dog, and then a brown dog. Bernard. Hi, Layla. Hi, Layla's drinking water. Okay, let's see the green truck. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Then we have the blue train. Toot, toot. Put this right here. Then we have the black police car. It's a black car. It says police. Let's do the buttons. Whoa, cool. Let's pick it up. Put it right in here so he can guard everything. Let's see if we push the buttons. Next one, the green garbage truck. We dump out the load. Boop, 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 boop. Let's see, is there anything inside? Let's see. Oh, there's a car in there. Let's get the car. Let's see. Beep, 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 beep. Whoa, what car is this? It's a blue car. Oh, this car. Hey, I'm Fred from Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo, it's a blue car. That's Fred. Okay, we'll put Fred right here next to the blue van. And then we'll take the green garbage truck and we'll put him next to the black police car. Just like that. So you have a black car and a green garbage truck. Next one, oh, your favorite. Ready? Ready? Monster truck. Big truck. Freestyle. Wow. We'll put him right here. Actually, let's put him up. Let's put him right there. Okay, good. Next one. Oh, cool. Blue garbage truck. Hello, Mr. Garbage Truck. He's kind of old, but he's pretty cool. You got anything in there? Oh, not too much. Okay, Mr. Garbage Truck. You're gonna go park. Beep, 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 beep. Put him up there. Next one, your favorite. Oh, Mater, hey buddy. Oh, Mater. Mater right here. Mater, what are you doing? You crazy? Ready? Hello, I'm Mater. Oh, hi. Hi, Atlas. What are you doing? Oh, you're in Norway? Check me out. I'll drive backwards. Hello. Hello. Give me a kiss. Are you being a good boy for your mommy? Well, I'm going to go park now. See ya. Next one, we have yellow taxi. Hello, taxi. Taxi, beep, beep. Need a ride? Burp, hop on in. Put him up there. And then we have a blue car. I think it's a police car. Beep, 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 beep. Back up, beep, beep, and dump. He's gonna go right next to the yellow car, right up there. Blue car, yellow car. Mater, he's brown. Blue garbage truck. Big green truck. Little blue truck. That's a blue train. A green truck. A yellow car. A yellow bus. A blue car. And a blue truck. And then black. And then green. A couple more. You have the red car. It's more like a race car. He's pretty cool. Parking over there. I'm going to put him right here. Then we got the blue race car. Put him right here. Right inside. And we got the wooden low rider. Lower. He needs some work. He's a little bit broken. His wheels are broken. That's okay. Put him right here. Next one. Roof, roof, roof. It's a yellow dog. Is this Paw Patrol? I think so. Roof, roof, roof. Okay, doggy, go over here. All right. Next one we have, oh, the red truck. Red truck. Let's put a car on another blue car on the back of the red truck. Oh, perfect. And it can be on the back of the red truck. Park him right there. A couple more. Green truck with black. HWFD. Something fire department. Wow, Hawaii something? I don't know. Really cool. Park him right there. Then we got another favorite. Whoa, cool. Whoa. It's called the Hawk. It's a big truck. Yellow and red and purple. The Hawk in green. We'll put the Hawk back here. Way back there. See him? There he is. Okay, then we got the green and yellow garbage truck. There he is. You see anything inside there? Oh, nothing's in there. Let me check. Oh, nothing's in there. On this side, it's blue sticker, green, and yellow. And the wheels are black. And this light right here, it's red. Red. Okay, we're gonna put him right there because he doesn't fit inside. We got 3 more. We got the big orange bus. Meep, meep. Big orange bus. And I think his top comes open. Oh, let's look inside. Wow, there's seats. You can hang out in there and you can have dinner. That's cool. Then we have the blue truck. Park him right there. Then we have the, oh, cool. This is the Lucid car. We're gonna put him right there. And then the last one, green truck. Meep, meep. He's a little truck. Meep, meep. This is green, and this is black. Can you say black? It's black. Okay, let's go see the dogs real quick. Oh, there's Layla. Hi, Layla. It's a black dog. Can you say hi, Layla? Hi. Layla's tired. That's her paw. Yeah, and her nose. That's a good girl, Layla. And then what's Bernard doing? Oh, hi, Bernard. Bernard is doing some kind of chewing a bone. He loves to chew his bone. Let's see where Bianca is, and then we'll be all done. Bianca. Hi, Bee. There's Bianca. Hi, Bianca. Okay. See you later. Bye.